Hello, my dear friend. My name is Abbas, and you are watching my YouTube channel Crypto Prime. Friends, today I want to introduce you again a best project where you can get more and more information about the AI generation video. Friends, before starting our video, I request to all newcomers on my YouTube channel kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's dive into the project. Today project his name is Higgsfield. We have already make some video about the Higgs field because the project is going to blast in this zone. And today we have some more upcoming things about the Higgs field AI, and I will tell you more about the Kling 3.0. So if we talk about the Kling 3.0, you can see their expectations and their about their website. And first of all, we take to their Reddit post. You can see the Reddit post. Everything points to killing 3 dropping soon. Here are the technical breakdown of what expect from killing 3.0. So you can see their discussion about the Omni launch voice and canvas agents and everything about their project. Killing is delayed and it's a bit stressed, and you can see these versions are 3.0 hints and the killing to also natives and killing one. So if we talk about their blog post, you can see their blog post about the killing 3.7, what to do, and the possibility. These are the possibilities, and we will take to their possibilities and everything about the killing 3.0. Here are the expectation from the killing 3.ai video user discussions analysis. You can easily read from their blog post. And why killing 3.0 has been released yet. Currently signals suggest is marks and next major step toward the professional AI video generation. And killing 3.0 is expected to involve into a production ready video system which brings generation information and the consistency about the unified workflow. You can go their journal and more read about the project. We'll shortly take about to the project killing 3 points. What's unified model signals for the next phase AI video and what the possibility expects. And you can also go through their social media community discussion and analysis. Every signals and technical possibilities are here. So Kling 3.0 has not been officially released yet, but this post is based on the possibility publicly available about the updates, launch patterns, and community analysis. Everything points to killing 3.0 launch soon, and observe platform behavior and features alignments indicate the killing video 3.0 is moving towards a signal tighty integrated video generated generation and architects, and instead of the maintaining the pre-roll para-roll tolls and also segments models links and links pairs to be the convention in the core video possibilities and capabilities. It is unified system what generation and transformation handles are managed. So you can see the platform like Higgsfield provide access to the full range of current killing models and including killing 2.6 and one omni and motions. So these are the blog posts. You can easily signal that point toward the unified and 3 point models and multiple publics. If we go through their social media like X, you can see the post about the killing 3.0 coming soon on the Higgs field and experience 15 seconds clip, multiple shot, native audios, and perfect characters constantly with the elements. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. The ultimate AI video workflow is almost here. You can see the Kling post about the Kling 3.0 on their social media like X, and more about their Reddit posts. And you can see what anticipation are killing 3 they are going to. So what do we manually can wait for the new model things. These 4 points should be the minimum what we can expect to receive native 4K and plus oblique 60 fps workflow. And we have seen the turbo 10 1080 models, and also, but the 3.0 base model is rumored to be the first handle 4K without scaling in Fairfax. Region inspection also is the holy grails, and you can see the canvas agents of its text editing, and whenever without exploit pieces the post. They usually tells are the few things active developments happenings. The company is aware of community buzz and expected sessions are being intentionally acknowledged. The kind of the communication after often fuels hype, not promising features but the confirming momentum. So of course these tiers about aren't teasers are not about the guarantees, but they do show the alignment between what users are discussing and what the platform is hinting. So you can see their blog post and their posts about the project and their blog post about the Kling 3.0 on their website, and also go through their website, create your own account on it, and get pricing here, and you can easily go through their pricing and get some exclusive pricing here, and you can easily go through their pricing option and get your submissions here. So like that you can easily find from it from $49 and $75, not a very big deal here, and you can easily go through their project and go find the Higgs field Kling 3.0 very soon, and you can earn and profit from generating videos and for more things. Thank you very much. If you like our video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.